So today we are going to discuss about one of the feature of NirnexAI platform, that is meeting intelligence. Go to the search engine and type www.nirnexai.com. Click on that URL. Once you click on the URL, you will redirect you to our page where you can see the details about our platform. You will redirect you to our application platform. In the left side, there are four services: new chart, dashboard, where you can create your dashboard as per your requirements, and the data visualization is there. And fourth, and the most important things, meeting intelligence. Today we are going to discuss about meeting intelligence. So I will discuss each and everything in a step-by-step manner. So once you log into this page, just come out to the this particular section, that is meeting intelligence. You can see in the right side in the top there is a join live meeting option is there. Just click on that. Select platform where the meeting is going on. Give the title, copy meeting URL. Once you're done, join, and once you this assistant will automatically join meeting along with other team members. And after completion of the meeting, you will get this kind of summarized report. Like we have recently done one meeting with one of our clients. So this is the meeting summary. Once after completion of the meeting, you can find out your meeting report. After completion of the meeting, you can see there is a detailed meeting summary what we have discussed in the meeting. Summary will come in such a way that executive summary, key highlights of the meetings, decision made, kind of things, and also action item. In every meeting, so we have some actionable tasks assigned to some of the team members. So we have tried figure out the problem, how to track that action. So here you can see the action item is there. If you click in the action item, you can see the task title and the assignee. You can assign the same person or along with other person. Start date, target date, and the final date is 14. Medium or whatever priority you set. Give the additional note and update the task. Just click on the update the task. Once you done this, your summary and the actionable task is completed. Now, if you want to get the data in a PDF, there is an option to download this detailed report. You just have to upload the PDF, and you will get the detailed reports like executive summary, key highlights, decision making, and the target date. So this is one. And once complete of the meeting, you can see the details board is there, where you can see in summary as well as that task which we have assigned. Like this is the current task which we have assigned to him. So this is the task. First date and dated the task. Say this is the target date. This is the target date. I have updated the task. And once you go to the meeting, you can see here whatever tasks you have assigned or completed. You can the target first date and the target date is coming. Data, but either it's completed or pending. Completed, you can, if the task is completed, you can just write down the complete of the things. If the same task is not updated in, it was not completed. And also download the same things in an Excel format. You can see the there is a filter of the date, how much task, how much task efficiency scores. You can select the kind of person also कि इसमें किस पर्सन ने कितने टास्क को कंप्लीट किया है, कितने टास्क को कंप्लीट नहीं किया है. So this is how the things work. Also you can see how much time you have saved, how much time the meeting is completed. So I would request go and explore this feature of our platform, NirnexAI. Thank you very much.